Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube, your go-to channel for AI and data science. In this video, I am going to share with you the top 5 Agentic AI courses available online. If you have ever wondered how to build AI agents, create smart chatbots, or automate workflows, so you are in the right place. I know how confusing it can be to pick the right course with so many options out there. So I have done the research for you. Let's break it all down together. Before we jump into the courses, let's quickly talk about what Agentic AI really means. Agentic AI refers to AI models that can think and act on their own. They don't just follow preset rules, they make decisions, have dynamic conversations, and learn from interactions. Imagine AI assistant that not only answer your questions, but also book appointments, gather information, and adapt based on what you need. Sounds cool, right? Let's now explore the courses that will help you master Agentic AI. Let's start with something short and easy, the Learn AI Agents course. It's just 2 hours long, so it's perfect if you are curious about AI agents but don't have much time. This course is practical and focused. You can access this course for free by clicking the Enroll for Free button and then selecting Audit. You will learn how to build AI agents that can respond in real time using React prompts, create AI loops for continuous learning, and set up AI action functions to control their behavior. What I love about this course is that it doesn't overwhelm you. It gives you hands-on experience with simple examples and tools. Plus, you get access to 7 plus plugins to build and test your AI agents right away. If you want a quick start without diving too deep, this course is for you. Next up is the fundamentals of AI agents using RAG and LangChain. If you have already got some AI knowledge and want to level up, this 6-hour course is a great choice. It's spread over 3 weeks, just 2 hours per week, so it's easy to fit into a busy schedule. You can also access this course for free by clicking the Enroll for Free button and then selecting Audit. What's great about this course is that it shows you how to build AI agents using RAG and LangChain, two powerful tools for AI automation. You will learn to fine-tune prompts, create AI systems that pull in information dynamically, and use popular AI libraries like PyTorch and Hugging Face. By the end of this course, you will have built your own AI chatbot and automation tool. It's practical, clear, and really useful if you want to start building AI-powered apps right away. If you are ready for something more advanced, the complete generative AI course with LangChain and Hugging Face by Krish Nayak on Udemy is a game changer. It's a deep dive into AI, 54 hours long, so be prepared to invest some time, but trust me, it's worth it. This course doesn't just explain concepts, it helps you build. You will create AI models, design rack pipelines for smarter AI responses, and even learn how to deploy your AI models on cloud platforms. What I really appreciate about this course is the hands on projects. You won't just be watching videos, you will be coding real world AI apps like chatbots and content generators. If you are someone who loves getting your hands dirty with code, this course will push your skills to the next level. Another fantastic option is LLM Engineering, Master AI, Large Language Models, and Agents on Udemy. It's 25.5 hours long and really focuses on practical AI development. You will learn how to build AI powered chatbots and automation tools, and even create AI agents that work with multiple data types like text, images, and audio. The best part, the course includes project-based learning, so you will build AI systems that scrap websites, generate reports, and automate workflows. There is even a capstone project at the end to test your skills. I love how this course combines theory and hands-on practice, making it perfect for AI engineers who want to build real solutions, not just learn concepts. Finally, if you are new to AI or in a leadership role, there is the Agentic AI and AI Agents for Leaders specialization. This course is beginner friendly and you don't need to be a coder to benefit from it. It focuses on how AI agents work, how to design and deploy AI powered tools, and how to bring AI into your business. It's just 3 hours per week for a month, so it's easy to manage. What I like about this course is that it's not just for developers, it's for managers, entrepreneurs, or anyone who want to understand AI without getting lost in technical jargon. If you are a leader looking to guide AI projects, this is the perfect course. So, how do you choose the right course? If you are just starting, I recommend Agentic AI and AI Agents for Leaders. It's simple and easy to follow. If you want to build AI agents and get hands-on experience, go for Learn AI Agents or Fundamentals of AI Agents using RAG and LangChain. And if you are an AI developer or engineer looking for advanced skills, the Generative AI with LangChain and Hugging Face and LLM engineering courses will help you create real-world AI apps. I have shared these courses because I truly believe they can help you. No fluff, just practical AI knowledge. All the links are in the description below, so check them out and pick the one that fits your goals. And that's it for today's video. I hope this helped clear up your confusion about AI agent courses. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.